Now we have our product repository. In there, what will be all the methods that we want to perform the CRUD operation? So first will be to get all of the products. So the return type will be task because we want it to be asynchronous, and it will return an IEnumerable of the product DTO. As I've said before, we only want to work with DTOs when we return or get something in an API. We will convert that DTO to the product entity and then work with the database. We will call this method as getProducts. When you add the product DTO, you will have to add a using statement for models.dtos. Next will be to get a single product by ID. So that will be task and the return type will be product DTO, and we'll call this getProductById. When we want to get that inside the parameters, we will receive the ID of the product. So we'll get the product ID as parameter. Based on that, we will retrieve the product and we will display that. Next will be a method to either create or update a product. So the return type will be product DTO. We will call that as create update product, and here we will receive a product model. So we will receive product DTO and we can call that as product DTO. The last one will be if we want to delete a product, so that will return a Boolean value and we will call that as delete product. Here in the parameter, we will receive the product ID of the product that we want to remove. Perfect. So our interface looks good. Next thing that we have to do is we need to implement this and we need to configure AutoMapper because we need to convert product DTO to product entity. Let's configure AutoMapper first in the next video.